I know a lot of you new riders out there don't want to start on a slow bike because you're like, CycleCruza, you know, why should I get this slow bike and then I gotta sell it and then get the bike that I want? Why can't I just get the bike that I want now? A lot of you guys like to start on a Yamaha MT-07. I'll tell you, this is a really amazing bike. I've had a lot of bikes, and I'm telling you, I'm not getting rid of this bike. This is one of my favorite bikes out of all the bikes I own. And this is a bike that you could potentially start on, and of course you can grow with. I'm never going to get rid of this bike, so this is a keeper right here. But this is a faster bike. It's not a super fast bike like LITHIUM bikes, but it is a faster bike. It's got a snatchy throttle. I mean, it's got a lot of bottom end grunt. That's what makes this bike fun. But that could be bad for a new rider. But in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start on a bike like an MT-07 or even a faster motorcycle.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
When I got my first motorcycle, I got a Honda CBR 250R. And it took me all of less than 2 minutes to learn how to ride a motorcycle. I just jumped on the bike and I started riding. It's very simple and easy to shift gears on a motorcycle. Here's the gear shifter right here on the left side, and then the other pedal here is for the rear brake. This is your front brake, and this is your clutch. The shifter shifts as follows. 1 click down is first gear, half click up is neutral, half click up from there is second gear, click up from there third, click up from there fourth, click up from there 5, click up from there 6, if the bike has 6 gears. Each time you make a gear shift change, you pull in the clutch and release it. Okay, the hardest part for a new rider is putting it in first gear. Okay, but with the fast bike, you're gonna have to be very careful with the throttle. That's the key, because with a faster bike, if you whiskey throttle and give it too much gas, it could buck you off the bike if you're not expecting it. And if you give it too little gas, the bike will stall and cut off. But I'm gonna tell you, no matter what you do, guys, make sure you're wearing the gear to stay safe out there on the streets, especially you new riders out there. And I have these heated gloves, which are awesome in the winter right now. I have links to these, my airbag vest to help keep you safe. Definitely get this. My ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an automatic tint shield, my Dionysic winter jacket, boots, glove, pants, all my gear. I include links in the description and comment section of this video.
The controls on the Yamaha MT-07 are like most bikes. Of course, you have the key here, which turns on the bike. On the right side, you have the starter button and kill switch. To start the bike, you slide the switch down. To kill the bike, you push the button in and that'll kill the engine at any time. You have the hazard lights here, so if you pull over on the side of the road and you're in distress, make sure to put your hazard lights on. You have your left and right turn signal here. You cancel the turn signals by pressing the button in. You have the horn button here. You have the high and low headlight switch here, and you have the trip info and toggle switch here on the controls, which will toggle between various features on the display. You have the clutch lever here on the left side. On the right side, you have the front brake lever. On the left side, you have the gear shifter right here. On the right side, you have the rear brake lever.
So what you're going to do is you're going to take your left hand, you're going to pull in the clutch. Right now we're in neutral. Okay, so you're going to do a half click. You're going to click down. That's a half click to first gear. Okay, bam, we're in first gear. Keep the clutch pulled in. Right now, if I were to let off this clutch, it would stall the bike and it would cut off. So you want to leave this in. And every time you make a stop, you always want to pull in the clutch and apply your front and rear brake at the same time. Okay, some bikes have combined ABS brakes where when you pull in the front brake, it also activates a portion of the rear. Some do, some don't. Get in the habit of using both the front and the rear brake at the same time. It all stops. But when you make your braking stops, you have to pull in the clutch every time you want to stop. Okay, now we're going to let it out in first gear. You're going to let off the clutch slowly, and you're going to give it gas at the same time. Remember, let off the clutch slowly and give it gas at the same time. You got to do it simultaneously. Okay, so there we're going to go. Okay, slowly release the clutch, give it some gas at the same time, not too much. Like I said, with the fast bike, you got to be careful with the throttle. You don't need to give it a lot of gas, very little. If you give it too little, like I said, it'll stall the bike. So we're in first gear right now. Okay, now we're coming to a stop. You're going to pull in the clutch and you're going to apply the front and rear brake. So there we go. We're in first gear. Okay, so now we're going to make a turn. You have your turn signal here. Okay, and I have a bad habit of leaving them on, so don't do that like me. And then when you want to cancel the turn signal, you just simply press the button and it cancels it. Okay, so we'll turn that on. Like I said, slowly let off the clutch and give it gas. Bam. We're in first gear. Now you want to go to second gear, pull in the clutch, and then you're going to click up. Pull in the clutch, click up. You're going to do it. There you go. We're in second gear. Okay, and you do that, you know, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and sixth gear. For riding out here on the city streets with the MT-07 and fast bikes, you know, like LITHIUM bikes, super sports, etc., second gear is all you need for city riding for speeds up to like 50, 60 miles an hour. You don't even really need any more than that until you get on the highway. A lot of you ask, you know, when should you shift to the next gear? What you don't want to do is you don't want to redline it in any gear, because that's going to damage, that could damage the engine if you redline it for too long. Listen to the engine to make the shifts. Don't look at the RPMs. Some people teach you, you know, at a certain RPM shift, or forget that. Listen to the engine. You want to keep your eyes on the road. I'm in first gear, and now I'm putting my foot underneath the shift lever, and I'm gonna pull in the clutch, and then I'm gonna click up once, and that's gonna take me to second, and I'm in second. Now when I go in third, same thing. If it's screaming to you, it's saying shift, shift. So you shift. Listen to it. That means the bike's revving too loud. It could cause damage to the engine. That means you gotta shift. Shift in the second. Okay, so pull in the clutch, click up. That's second. And for just cruising around here on the street, probably second is fine. Okay, so now you want to downshift. To downshift, you just pull in the clutch and click down. So we're gonna pull in the clutch and click down. Now you want to do a little blip of the throttle. You know, you're gonna decelerate slightly like this, a blip of the throttle when you drop a gear. So we're gonna pull in the clutch, click down. We're in first, and then you're going to pull in the clutch. See, we're getting ready to stop here, but we're going to make a turn here. Okay, like I said, I just put it in second gear. Okay, push in the turn signal here to cancel it. As a new rider, I recommend, obviously, take the MSF class. They'll show you how to ride, they'll test you and everything. But if you're going to be hard-headed and you want to teach yourself how to ride, here you go, man. Okay, now we're coming up here. Like I said, it all stops. Right now we're in second gear. I'm pulling in the clutch. Now I'm in second gear, but you want to make sure you click down back to first at the stop. You always want to be in first gear at stops. Okay, so we're in first gear here. Like I said, we're going to make a lane change, put the turn signal on, and I also use arm signals as well oftentimes, so they make sure they see me when I'm making a turn. Of course, cancel that turn signal. See, we're coming up here to stop. I'm in first gear. No need to click down. We're already in first. You're just going to pull in the clutch and hit the front and rear brake at the same time. Okay, but you want to get in the habit of always using the front and rear brake at the same time. Let off the clutch, give it gas at the same time. We're in first gear. Okay, you know, while you're riding, you want to, you know, keep the balls of your feet on the pegs. Okay, and then when you're ready to use the shifter, then you bring your foot forward. We're going to pull in here. That's all there's to it. There's really not much else to it, guys. It's very simple. But the key is when you're on a fast bike is to be very careful with the throttle. Because I'll show you, look, if you whiskey throttle it, look at that, front wheel pulls up. A new rider's not ready for that, it bucks him off the bike. So that's why really you know, I say an MT-07 is really not a great beginner's bike. But if you take the MSF class, they teach you how to ride. And then, so you got a little bit of skill set when you get out of the MSF class, then you'll be fine on an MT-07, probably be fine on an MT-07. But some of you guys are hard-headed, you don't take the MSF class, and then you go to the DMV, get your temp license, and you're ready, you know, you just want to start riding a motorcycle, which you can by law, and then you jump on an MT-07 and you don't really know what the heck you're doing. It could set you up for real effed up day, especially a liter bike or something even more powerful. So be very careful with the throttle. That's really what it comes down to, is just being careful with the throttle. Take the MSF class though, do it, man. Don't be a fool. Riding a motorcycle is very easy, it's very simple. Really, it's all about staying safe out here on the streets, man. That's the number one thing. You want to ride defensively. And I have a video to show you how to ride defensively that's going to help keep you safe. And I have a video in the top right corner. Click on that link and that'll take you to the video. And also I have a how to ride a motorcycle series that's got, you know, instructional videos on everything when it comes to riding a motorcycle. I'll include that playlist in the top right corner as well. But anyways, I hope this video helps you new riders out there, so that you can start on the MT-07 if you want. Like I said, it's all about the throttle. Make sure to hit thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos released. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, deuces.